This year marks the 40th anniversary of China's reform and opening up. How has the reform and opening up changed the destiny of the Chinese nation and influenced the world? How has the Communist Party of China made it happen? And how will China continue the endeavor? The following are some of President Xi Jinping's key remarks made at a grand gathering Tuesday to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the reform and opening up.
改革开放40年的时间启示我们，开放带来进步，封闭必然落后。中国的发展离不开世界，世界的繁荣也需要中国。